All right, team. Today is Sunday, July 7th, 2019. And what I want to do, I want to go over a trade setup with you that I am about to take. The signal actually came out on Friday. Friday was July 5th, where the signal actually came out. But as you guys know, the market closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So we had to wait until today to see or possibly execute this trade. But what I want to do, I want to go over the trade setup so you guys can see what I look for before I actually take my trades, how I realize profit in these trades, how I set my stop loss, and what I'm looking for to actually enter the trade. So I'm going to go over the entire trade breakdown for you so you can see, how we go about entering our trades. So as you can see, I'm on the daily chart. This is the AUD USD. I'm actually on the daily chart. The overall trend is down. What we have here is a push up into the resistance level. As you can see, here's a 4-year weekly resistance right here. When price got here, it kind of shot past the resistance a little bit, but then as you can see, price has been rejected from this level, and now momentum, as you can see here on the oscillators, is signaling that price wants to go down. So what we're going to do, we're going to potentially take a trade, a short trade, a sell trade, hopefully in this level, and try and get a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio in this trade. So I'm going to go ahead and break down the analysis and tell you exactly what I do before I actually enter the trade. So once I get this signal on a daily chart, I don't enter here. I actually go down to the 4-hour time frame, and from the 4-hour charts are moving a little slow. Here you go. So from the 4-hour time frame, I can actually go in and put in my stop loss. My stop loss is here at the swing high of the previous week, again based on the resistance level that you see at the top. So this is my stop loss at the swing high. All right. Now to actually enter the trade, I go down to the 1-hour time frame. All right. And on the 1 hour, you will see exactly what I'm looking for to actually enter into this sell position. Okay. As you can see, again, my stop loss is already set. Okay. I don't change the stop loss. I always put it at the swing high of the previous week. Okay. Because I'm trading off the daily time frame. So as you can see, price came down. It actually broke another level all the way down. What I'm looking for price to do is actually push up into this resistance level again, right? Give me a discount on my trade. Push up somewhere into this level. And from this level, I want to be looking for a reversal in price to take me down to my 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you can see, my coordinates for the trade have already been set. I'm not in the trade yet. This is a sell limit order. So once price pushes back up into this level, it triggers the order, and I'm looking for a move down 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio of about, let's see, here is 54 pips. So I'm looking for a 54 or so move down here to close out, hopefully the same day that the trade is entered. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I enter the trades. Again, let me go back to the daily chart. I get the signal from the daily. I go down to the 4-hour time frame to button up my stop loss at the swing high of the previous week. And then I go down to the 1-hour time frame, or you can go to the 15-minute time frame if you like. But I go down to the 1-hour time frame, look for a pushback into the structure. Push back into structure here, or at the resistance level for a sell trade all the way back down. Now, of course, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You know, that's the first area that we'll be looking to take profit. If price gives me the indication that it wants to continue, then normally I'll try to go for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio on the trades. But at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, we have a hit rate on our trades of about 85%. I know some people may say that 1-to-1 is not a good risk to reward ratio, but when you're winning 80 to 85% of your trades, it's an excellent risk to reward ratio. There's no bank in the United States of America that's going to give you 100% of your risk on your money per year. And we realize these profits every single day, that the market gives us movement. Of course, we don't win every trade. Of course, we don't trade every day. But when the market is moving, it has volatility into the market. This is the way we trade once we get our trade set up. So I hope you guys like this strategy. I hope you guys are interested in the strategy. This is my new level strategy. As you can see, price is starting to push up right now. Hopefully it will go into this level, trigger this sell trade so we can realize profit. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now. I'll go ahead and continue the video once price does what it does. If it doesn't push up this high and it falls, I'll go ahead and show you guys what happened. If it pushes past the levels and hits our stop loss, I'll show you that also. And then if the price triggers our trade and goes down and gives us a winning trade, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I'll definitely come back and show you guys what happened during the trade. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens.